Hello everyone, welcome to Usha Ganesh channel. Today we are going to see top 10 offline free Android games. So let's get started. Number 10. Roald Dahl's Twittermas. The most disgusting game ever inspired by the Twits. Join the food fight now. Swipe the food into Mr. Twit's dirty beard to score. Every time Mr. Twit eats, foulsome food flies towards Mrs. Twit, who is trying to sleep. Score by stopping the moldy morsels hitting her. But watch out, because if she wakes up, she'll whack Mr. Twit with her stick and then it's game over. Number 9. My Talking Tom 2. Talking Tom is funnier and more lively than ever before. He reacts to everything players do and there are new surprises every day. Players can feed Tom when he is hungry, wash him when he is dirty, put him to bed when he is tired and take him to the toilet when he is really got to go. They can watch him grow into a big happy cat. Number 8. Temple Run. In this game, you have stolen the cursed idol from the temple and now you have to run for your life to escape from the evil demon monkeys nipping at your heels. Test your reflexes as you race down ancient temple walls and along sheer cliffs. Swipe to turn, jump and slide to avoid obstacles, collect coins and buy power-ups. Unlock new characters and see how far you can run. Number 7. Snake.io. Start Snake.io as a small worm and try to get bigger by eating your way through each level. Worm your way through fields of food and try to beat other players' scores. You can get new skins as you can see on the screen like fox, cat and many more. This game can be played both online and offline. You can attend online events too. Number 6. Subway Surfers. Subway Surfers is a running game in which you have to escape from the grumpy inspector and his dog. Dash as fast as you can, dodge the oncoming trains. You can get various characters and different types of hoverboards. You get mysterious boxes in which surprises are hidden. Join this most daring chase. Number 5. Granny Chapter 2. Granny and Grandpa keep you locked in their house. To survive, you have to try to get out of their house, but be careful and quiet. Granny hears everything as usual. Grandpa doesn't hear very well, but he hits hard. If you drop something on the floor, Granny hears it and comes running. You can hide in wardrobes or under beds. You have 5 days. You can shoot them with guns that stuns them for 2.5 minutes. This is a horror thrilling game. Number 4. Scary Teacher 3D. In this game, there is a horrible teacher known as Miss T. Her house consists of 15 rooms and each room has some unsolved mystery. You will recover victim kids' photos, chocolate cakes and chocolates. Remember, there is a basement as well that has something surprising. The game takes inspiration from the famous movie Matilda. This game is wonderful and thrilling. You have to play pranks on Miss T. I hope you enjoy this game. Number 3. Dark Riddle. Dark Riddle is a stealth puzzle game whose premise, gameplay and even graphics are similar to the popular game Hello Neighbor. The game begins in a house that you just moved into and with a suspicious neighbor across the street. The neighbor will start chasing you once he sees you. You can collect apples and throw at him which stuns him for 5 seconds, which allows you to run away from him. No, he is not the neighbor, he is only a police. But if you run into him, he will catch you. Your goal is the basement of the neighbor's house. It is there that lies the key to unraveling all the terrible secrets. A stunning soundtrack, the sinister melodies of which perfectly convey the atmosphere of a mystical thriller. Number 2. Sniper 3D. Sniper 3D is a wonderful game with drama that actually lets you connect with the main protagonist. It involves killing wanted criminals, snipers, etc. It allows you to buy various guns such as the sniper rifle, assault rifles, shotguns, etc. Its graphics are realistic. This game has much more variety than other mobile sniper games. This game can be played both online and offline. I hope you enjoy this game. Number 1. Shadow Fight 2 is a 2D fighting game in which players must win the best of 3 matches against computer-controlled opponents. I personally love this game. There are demon bosses called Lynx, Hermit, Butcher, Wasp, Widow, Shogun, Titan, etc. There are various weapons, shields, magic, throwing weapons, etc. Compared to other Shadow Fight games, this is the best one. This is a wonderful game and I recommend it. The link of the games is given in the description below. Check it out. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.